Can you tell me where the North Star is?
North.
No?
North. It's the brightest one. I think it's that one. Oh no, it's that one over there.
I'm sure they do. Oh, she's off. Let's go, grab her again. Go on, get hold of her, get hold of her.
I think she likes me.
So you put your left leg onto the stirrup.
Okay.
And then you just give yourself a little hop and hop on. Brilliant. Are you sure you haven't done that before?
Yeah.
Nice and calm. Well done, lovely. Do you want a little treat? Do you want to give her some food?
Yeah.
So, alright. So if you just, I'll give you some of these. She likes them.
Okay.
So just make sure your thumb's out and just push it into her mouth.
Or in.
So put your hand down and then push it.
Hi, sweet girl.
You enjoying the house?
Oh, it's so nice.
It's so lovely. Come on, lovely, you look great.
I'm an artist. Whoa, it's so close. Did you get everybody in the frame?
No, just you. I'm going to do a selfie of us on our lovely holiday. Home video.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hello.
Look at this lovely landscape. Put it down. Is that on you?
I think so.
Yeah.
You should do a fire. It's cooling down. So hot.
Oh, it was so hot today. You want to do a fire tonight? Yeah, I think that'd be nice.
Yeah.
There's one up there which might be better. We can sit on the patio.